Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to review Pilgrim Vinotherapy Sunrise Ritual Combo, which includes face wash, toner, day cream. If you guys don't know about Pilgrim is a made in India brand. Also it is free from parabens, sulfate, toxins and mineral oils. Also it's a cruelty free brand. It comes in this kind of nice packaging. So let us see each product one by one. Before that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button if you like the video. Starting with the Pilgrim Red Wine Face Wash. This one is supposed to cleanse the skin gently, also fight with the signs of aging. Also it provides you a youthful glowing skin. Also it enhances skin radiance. It includes vitamin C and aloe, which keeps skin bouncy and young. Next, I have Pilgrim Red Wine Face Mist, which includes vitamin B3 and aloe. Vitamin B3 is also known as niacinamide, which is helpful to reduce the hyperpigmentation and gives an instant hydration, and also enhances your skin elasticity and firmness. So this face mist is going to tighten your open pores. Next, I have Pilgrim Red Wine Face Cream with SPF 30, which includes vitamin C and rosehip oil. It is suitable for all skin type, and it makes your skin visibility younger, brightens your skin and protects from sun. After cleansing and toning, gently dot the cream all over the face and neck. Massage in outward and upward motion for a toned look. All the products links are given in the description box below. Check them out and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button if you like this video. Thank you. Bye bye.